Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your contacts with Gmail. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Next, navigate to your device's settings and locate the Account section. You'll then add or verify your Google account. This process ensures all your important contacts are backed up and accessible, providing peace of mind and convenience across all your platforms. For Android users, open your phone settings, tap on Accounts, then select your Google account. Make sure the Contacts Sync option is toggled on. For iPhone users, go to Settings, then Mail, Accounts, and Add Account. Choose Google, sign in, and ensure the Contacts option is enabled. This simple setup keeps your address book updated automatically. Once synced, you can manage all your contacts directly through Gmail. Simply visit Contacts, Google.com in your web browser. Here, you can view, edit, and organize all your synced contacts. You can also merge duplicate entries or add new contact information. This central hub makes managing your network incredibly efficient and straightforward. If you encounter issues, first verify your internet connection and ensure your Google account is correctly signed in on all devices. Sometimes, simply toggling the sync option off and on again can resolve minor glitches. Remember, syncing your contacts provides a reliable backup, protecting your valuable information. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.